Forgotten username recovery failed on Desjardins Bank Fix. If your attempt to recover your username on Desjardins Bank keeps failing, don't worry, you're not alone. The surprising truth is that most recovery failures happen not because of system errors, but because the information entered doesn't perfectly match what's in Desjardins records. Let's go over how to fix this quickly. Start by visiting the official Desjardins login page and selecting Forgot Your Username. You'll be prompted to enter details like your member number, social insurance number, or registered email address. Accuracy is key here. Even a small typo or outdated contact detail can block recovery. If you've recently changed your email, phone number, or address, try using the older information that was originally linked to your account. Desjardins' system sometimes takes time to fully sync updated contact data across platforms. Didn't get the recovery email? Check your junk or spam folder. Automated bank messages are often flagged as promotional or security alerts. Also, only the most recent recovery link you request will work. Older ones automatically expire to protect your security. If the page gives you an error or doesn't load, clear your browser cache or try using another device. Sometimes stored cookies interfere with secure online forms. If all else fails, contact Desjardins customer service at 1-800-224-7000-737. Their support team can verify your identity and reset your username manually. It's often the fastest solution if the online recovery system continues to fail. Once you're back into your account, take a moment to review your contact details and recovery options. Make sure your phone number, email, and security questions are up to date. That small step can prevent future login problems. So, if your Desjardins Bank username recovery keeps failing, don't stress. With a few careful checks and maybe a quick call, you'll have your account access restored and your peace of mind back in no time.